just received my parcels from the website Northern Parrots, and we're going to open them. It's got my items. I spent not much, but it's about it won't be much to some people, but yeah, they're open it. Here we go. So these are things from a parrot. In here I've got some toys, and I've also got some medicines, supplements. I've got 4 budgies. I'll show you my budgies at the end. There we go. So, stuff. Right, so I could read you all of it, but I think you'll get bored because we want to see the toys. So I want to see bird toys. Someone knocking on my door, I don't think so. Use another thing. Catalogue, some other stuff. Here we go, let's put that there. Right, so my box I'm going to put down here. And we have another box. Oh, sorry about the wobbling, guys. Just stop you wobbling. Right, I have another box, so I'm going to slowly open this box. My budgies are chirping away. I think they know that there's treats coming. Alright. Not that. I don't think they've got a good sense of smell, so they can't smell anything. So yeah, if any of you guys own budgies, you know, I would highly recommend this website. Why? I'm trying to think why now, because I have ordered something from the website. Have I ordered something from them? No, I'm lying. So I can't recommend them yet. Not until you have a look at this. This is the first time I'm thinking of another website, so please excuse me. Sorry about that. Ooh, interesting. Another thing. Some more stuff. Here we go. Well, I'm excited. I feel like it's my buddy's birthday today. Like it isn't, but they're getting treats. Right, so I'm gonna move over here and open up. I'll open up one by one. So here we go. There might be more than one in one bag. So open this up. So this is. Oh, okay. This is. You guys were expecting toys. This is not a toy. But if you've got a parrot or parrots, you probably already know this. But just in case you don't, this is called. Oh, look at this. It's actually quite wet. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be wet. But I don't think it's something that can deteriorate. So I'll read it quickly what it is. Basically it's called I don't know if you can see that. Wheeze, ease, ready to use. It's basically a spray, so put the nozzle in and you can spray this around the room and on top of the budgies, and it has various like ingredients in it, like herbal extracts. So it says here, complex blend of natural herbal extracts. So this is boring for some of the guys who are expecting toys. Put that to the side. So that's that. So bubble wrap for me later. Put that in there. Or not. Next one. Here we go. Yeah, I think my budgies. I'm just like, right now they're just chewing on a piece of paper, to be honest. Okay, sorry for the overexcitement. This is another supplement from the website. It's also wet. I don't know, maybe they have like giant containers or something. They live, I don't know, Northern Parrots. That's what it is. Avian disinfectant ready to use. I thought this was in a spray. I thought I'd ordered it in a spray form. So maybe it was my fault, my mistake that I thought that. Yeah. But yeah, so this is good because it's safe for parrots. As you can see, avian disinfectant. You've got pictures of budgies, macaws, cockatoo, I think that is. Yep, canary, and some other birds. Put that there. So far, nothing exciting. Apologies for the guys tuned in for some toys. Yeah, I've got a feeling this is also not a toy. So should we say the toys will last? There's only 2 more parcels. Okay, so here's other things I've got. Feel free to comment and tell me what you think about, because you know, everyone's different. My birds, I've had really bad luck with silo feeders, so I've bought just classic feeding cups to put the water in and the food in that. And Bob's your uncle, and this is for immune system improvement because I thought one of them was ill. They're going for the checkup in York this week, or tomorrow even. So they've got the vet's appointment tomorrow. Here we go. We've already been for one vet's appointment already, so this is the second opinion. Here we are. Alright, so I'll put that, I think you want to see the colours. Right, we'll show you the first one. So the first thing that it comes out, I've come out, I've brought out I've pulled out the bag. Oh, sorry, it's got stuff on it, which is kind of annoying. I don't know. Okay, so first thing is, I don't think I've shown you, probably did shown you. I don't know if you caught that then, but I hope you can see it now. So this is a rubber foraging toy. You put the stuff in it and then your bird attacks. Peanuts go here. Parrots go nuts over this toy. So, you know, let's should be some scissors here somewhere. There we are. Scissors. So we're gonna, you know, I'm gonna open them all so we can have a look. There we go. Hold on, is this supposed to? There you go. Right, so that's one bit out, one bit out. They are gonna love this. They are going to love this. Yeah, that's it there. So it's gonna be. I'm gonna hang it off the cage with this. All right, next toy. So this is not really like when you think of toys, you think of like toys, but yeah, parrots and birds just like to. They just like paper. So this is a bunch of crinkled paper. Super Bird Creations. Find out what all the squawk's about. So it's just I'll open it. It's just, I mean, some people, like, you know, start to criticise and say, oh, you could have made it yourself, why have you spent that much money? When I say that much, I think this was about £2. So, yeah, heads up, I'm not creative, so, yeah, I'm alright with, I'm not a fancy like sitting down and cutting pieces of paper. I've shoved a bit of paper in there, you know, just A4 plain paper. They chewed that to shreds. I don't know if they'll be able to tell the difference, but I think, yeah, I think they'll like this. I can put it in the foraging toy, mixed up with some stuff. Right, here we go. I'm looking forward. Okay, so bird worm, medicines in there at the same time. So this is an interesting one. Now, it doesn't look like much, and I've got to say, it didn't have very good reviews. Not very good, I would say. It had a moderately decent, moderately good review. So it was about 3 point something out of 5 stars. Basically, some people didn't like the string. The box fell off and all that was left was a string. I think that, you know, my parrots are going to do the same. So we've got lollipop sticks. I think there's something in there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not, but yeah, there's a little ratting type of nibble. So they can like chew this have fun. They'll climb all over it. You know, it's got the same little clasp at the top. It's got thing at the bottom, and you know, some cute ones. I'll just open this to show you. So this is like a little box. There you go. I'll open it so much. There's a little box in there. Yeah, I think they're gonna have fun with this. I think my budgies haven't had much of a choice of toys because I've just had bad luck finding toys. And all right, I've got a few, 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Yeah, 4 more. So this, I don't know if it's a toy or whatever, but obviously everybody who owns parrots knows what that is. So this is called a bird. I want to say kebab, but it is kebab. So it sounds, I just find it funny saying kebab. But yeah, this is just a type of wood or material that they can chew. They'll have fun chewing, and which will be good for their beaks. They love chewing stuff, so hopefully this will take some effort and it'll be good exercise for them as well. This I'm trying to think. It's biodegradable, safe for the environment, the ultimate shreddable bird toy. Yeah, I really like that. You know, I make them food, real kebabs out of real food, and stick it in there. So I've got like a skewer, a metal skewer, and I stick broccoli on there and carrot on there, and they really like that. But I think they're getting a bit. One of them, somebody told me that one of them was overweight looking, so which is kind of mean. She didn't like that. But yeah, apparently they look overweight, so maybe I've been giving them too much broccoli. I don't know if that's the thing. Okay, so this is I like this one. It's like so many people had reviewed this, and I just thought it was so cute that this tiny thing for the budgie was such a detailed reviews over this tiny thing. It's kind of cute. So this is made with obviously a type of material that is safe for budgies. Or everything on that website is obviously safe for the animal. That's recommended for us. So anyway, yeah, it's just straw colours. They'll bite at it. Little clasp. La. And this is how it'll be. Like yay. Okay, there you go. And got 2 more. Now this one is like the one I've been, well, I've been looking forward to all of them actually. So I like this one. I think they're gonna really enjoy this one. I like that. I like the size. I like these balls. I think that they're just fun to look at. Something that they can shred, but it's also fun to look at. I've got some scissors here somewhere. If I can find the scissors, because I'm gonna open this. Right. Oh, I think it might be open already. Oh, it's got a little thing. Ta-da! Alright, this is nice. Look at that. Oh, so this says everything your parrot. Alright, forget that. So we have, as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spider leg web things. A little thing for them that they can play around or stand on. You know, they can balance on that. And yeah, it's got their normal class where they just hang in their cage. Willow Wizard Hanging Parrot Toy, that's what this is called. Yeah. Okay, my favourite one, I think this is going to be my favourite one. Just because I was so frightened when I first got budgies. So this is my second lot of budgies. My first one passed away unexpectedly. But yes, I was so frightened and so overprotective is the word, not frightened, but overprotective that I couldn't find any toys that I was satisfied that weren't a danger to the birds, because apparently rope is dangerous for them. Something, obviously a lot of things they can't eat, chew, and so have to be careful. So this one just looks so much fun. I think my boo-boos deserve this, my birds. They deserve some fun toys, and it's definitely colourful. I love the colours. I don't know if you can see that, but excuse me. I don't know if you can see that, but like, look at the colours. There you go. I mean, these are just really pretty. They're like flower shapes. I don't know what material they're made out of, but it's so pretty and clinky. You know, you'll be able to clink it. There you go. See, you can see that, like, you'll be able to play and like chew them. I can't put anything in these balls, but they can just hang from the cage and they can, you know, make noises. There was a bell in there, I think, at one point. I took it out because it was attached to this other rope thing and it was too dangerous. So, thank you for watching my video. You know, and if you like, I'm not a regular uploader, so you know, you don't have to do anything really. I'm just happy that you watched. Don't really care, but I just wanted to share this because I love watching unboxing videos myself. I'll watch anything. You put it in a box and you unbox it, I'm all in. So I just thought, you know what, there's probably some parrot people out there. There's probably some parrot people out there that enjoy this, so yeah. I mean, if you do want to get into discussions, it'll be fun to know what you guys, if you guys have, which you thought was your favourite looking, or comment which one you'd like me to put in their cage first, because I'm gonna rotate them hopefully, maybe two in the cage out of them. Okay, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Look at this.